Hey, Memo here, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in Palm Desert. If you've been spending your summers avoiding your own backyard because of the heat, the glare, or the bugs, I want to show you something that's going to change that completely. This is the Apollo PowerScreen, and it is hands down the most impressive thing we install. Let me walk you through it. See this housing up top? That's where the entire screen lives when it's not in use. Completely hidden, completely out of the way. The moment you want shade, you press a button. That's it. One button, and the screen glides down smooth and quiet, locking right into the side tracks on each edge. This is our zip track system. The fabric seals into the channels so there are no gaps, no billowing, no wind getting behind it. It's not a curtain, it's closer to a window. And shade, you're in control of exactly how much. We carry a full range of fabric options, from insect mesh that keeps the bugs out while keeping your view wide open, all the way up to solar fabrics that block up to 97% of the sun's heat and glare, plus a dimout option for complete privacy day and night. Every fabric comes with a 20-year warranty. Nobody else in this industry is even close to that. You also get to choose your colors. We have 13 standard frame colors and can go custom to match your home perfectly. When you're done, one button and the screen rolls right back up, clean, invisible, like it was never there. Out here in Palm Desert, this isn't a luxury. It's the thing that actually makes your outdoor space livable year-round. Call us at 760-454-2759 or visit us online to schedule your free estimate. We measure, we build, and we install everything ourselves. Factory direct, no middlemen, just a great product backed by people who stand behind their work.